Congratulations on starting your smile journey with BK Orthodontics. We are so excited to work with you on achieving your dream smile. Let's start with the proper brushing techniques for your braces, because taking care of your teeth and appliances is essential to maintaining a healthy smile throughout your orthodontic journey. In your braces kit, you will find everything you need to use during your treatment: a toothbrush, a proxy brush, floss, and orthodontic wax. These tools will help you keep your braces and teeth clean and healthy. Let's start by looking at your braces. Each bracket has 4 sides, and it's important to clean them all thoroughly. Using your toothbrush, brush across your braces in a circular motion. Then, angle the toothbrush so the bristles are above the brackets and will sweep away particles settling above the brackets. Be sure to use circular motions and massage your gum tissue during the brushing. Avoid scrubbing back and forth like a scrub brush. Circular motions are much gentler on your gums, and they help prevent gingival recession. Repeat the same circular brushing with the toothbrush angled under the brackets. Next, use the proxy brush to clean the sides of each bracket that are beneath the wire. Slide it under the wire and brush up and down to remove any plaque or debris. Spend about 30 seconds on each section of your mouth, brushing for a total of 2 minutes. Now let's talk about flossing. You'll need your floss and the floss threader from your kit. Tie one end of the floss to the loop of the floss threader. Use the firm end of the floss threader to guide the floss under the wire and begin flossing using the C-floss method to be sure you get both sides of each tooth. Repeat this for every tooth. Finally, if you ever feel discomfort from a bracket or a wire, orthodontic wax can help. Dry off the area that irritates you. Pinch off a small piece of wax, rolling it into a ball, and press it onto the area causing the irritation. Orthodontic wax is a quick fix to allow the area of your mouth to get used to the braces being there. You can use other products like peroxyl rinse that is found in the dental section of your local store, or even warm water with table salt to rinse your mouth 3 times daily to help speed up the healing process. You will get through your braces smoothly as long as you take care of them. And we are here to help. Thank you for choosing BK Orthodontics as your smile team. If you have any questions about your orthodontic treatment, feel free to call us or visit our website. We're here to support you every step of the way.